In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a message in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever sent a message and immediately spotted a typo, or maybe you just want to change the phrasing of something you wrote, Teams makes it very simple to make quick fixes without sending a brand new message. Start by signing into your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this either through the desktop app or directly in your web browser. Once you've logged in with your credentials, you'll land on the main Teams dashboard where you can access your Teams, channels, and chat messages. Next, find the chat or channel where you sent the message you want to edit. This could be in a group conversation or a private one-on-one chat. Hover your mouse over the specific message, and you'll see a set of icons appear in the top right corner of the message bubble. Among these icons, look for the small pencil symbol. This is the edit tool that lets you make changes to your existing message. Click the pencil icon and your message will open in an editable text box. From here, you can make any adjustments you need. Maybe it's a spelling correction, rephrasing a sentence for clarity, or softening the tone of your words. Simply type directly into the text box until you're happy with the new version. Editing works much like modifying text in a Word document. It's quick, intuitive, and seamless. When you've finished your edits, press Enter. Your message will instantly update in the chat, replacing the old version. Importantly, Teams does not post this as a brand new message. Instead, it updates the original while adding a small edited tag beneath it next to the timestamp. This lets others know that the message was changed while keeping the conversation clean and easy to follow. That's all it takes to edit a message in Microsoft Teams. This feature can save you from unnecessary confusion, prevent misunderstandings, and keep your communication clear and professional. It's also worth noting that if your edit significantly changes the meaning of the message, it may be helpful to follow up with a brief explanation so your recipient fully understands the context. And there you have it. You now know how to edit a message in Microsoft Teams. This small but powerful feature is designed to make your conversations smoother and more accurate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you use Teams more confidently. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy chatting!